Welcome to the UMath X navigation tutorial. The purpose of this video is to familiarize you with the navigation and features of UMath X so that you may begin to embrace how math concepts are developed in the program. To begin, access the UMath X login screen using the URL that you or your group was provided. Then log in using a valid username and password. Clicking on the login button will take you to the UMath X home screen. The UMath X home screen houses the control panel located at the top of the screen, the menu bar at the far left, and the search panel at the bottom of the screen. The control panel contains all of the UMath X application feature icons, including Home, Profile, Bookmarks, Tests, Data Module, Calculator, Info, and the Logout button. Hovering over the menu bar opens the menu, allowing the user to navigate to desired lessons within UMath X. Within UMath X, there are 9 strands: fractions, equations, algebra, whole numbers and integers, percent, probability, exponents, graphing, and measurement and geometry. Each strand is comprised of sections containing lessons and sublessons which include highly interactive content, introduction and examples, a variety of graphic approaches, and a broad range of instructional methods. All sections progress from concrete to pictorial to abstract to assist students in developing deeper understanding of math concepts. Lessons listed at the top of the menu represent basic introductory lessons. As one proceeds through a given section, the lessons typically increase in complexity and difficulty as concepts are scaffolded from concrete to abstract. The search panel located at the bottom of the screen serves 2 purposes. When the toggle button at the far right of the search panel appears as the file folder, the lesson path appears in this field. When the toggle button appears as a magnifying glass, the user may enter a word or phrase in this field to initiate a search for a particular lesson or topic. As an example, I can search for the term patterns and press enter or click on the green arrow at the end of the search panel. This will return a list of lessons that has the search term in their list of keywords or description. Double-clicking on a lesson will show the selected search result pane, which lists the lesson location as well as its keywords and description. As you can see, the search term was found in the keywords. You can click the launch button to launch the particular lesson, next and previous to see more results, or press the close button to go back to the list of search results. Clicking the red X at the top right of the screen will return you to where you were before using the search panel. To launch a lesson, hover over the menu bar and navigate to the desired lesson of your choice. I am going to the strand Fractions, the section Addition and Subtraction of Decimals, and the lesson Adding Decimals. Note the variety of instructional approaches illustrated in the sublessons. There are 3 different methods in this example: partial sums, columns, and right to left. Each method is complete with its own set of interactive examples which may be used to assist students in developing their own understanding of addition of decimals. I am going to select Method 3, right to left, Example 1 with grids. Virtual manipulatives, such as the pattern blocks used in this example, are utilized throughout the program to provide concrete examples which support the development of abstract concepts. The program will continue to guide me through the lessons as I hit enter or click on proceed at the bottom right of the screen. Virtual manipulatives used in UMath X include manipulatives on hand in many classrooms and include algebra tiles, tangrams, fraction strips, 2 color counters, and pattern blocks. Notice the visual cues I am given when I enter incorrect answers in this sample. Once I enter 3 incorrect responses, the portion of the base 10 blocks representing the amount I should be entering is highlighted to the right, guiding me to the correct answer of 17 out of 100. Visual and auditory prompts are given throughout UMath X lessons, allowing students to learn from their mistakes in a non-threatening environment, while ensuring that every student arrives at the correct answer. UMath X also provides audio support to assist students weak in literacy. Double-clicking on any text displayed in a lesson or text question will automatically read that particular text.
We write as a decimal.
Clicking on the gear icon located at the bottom of the menu bar brings up the Curriculum Menu Selection tool. Note the various curricula that the content of UMath X has been customized to. Here, I am selecting the Common Core State Standards curriculum. I would like to find lessons for the Common Core menu item 5 NBT 0207. Now click to select the set of lessons available for that menu item. Note the selection menu, which reveals the grade, domain, cluster, standard, and sections and lessons within them. Click on the lesson to select it. Now I am going to select the Texas menu. The addition and subtraction of decimals example seen earlier can be found using the menu in the same way. Note that the selection menu reveals the grade, knowledge and skills, expectation, breakout, and the sections and lessons within. Now I am going to select the Ontario menu. The addition and subtraction of decimals example can be found using the menu in the same way. Note that the selection menu here reveals the grade, strand, subheading, specific expectation, and the sections and lessons within. Also included in UMath X are menus for Florida and Virginia. The bookmarking feature may be launched by clicking on the bookmark icon located in the control panel. My bookmarks indicate personal bookmarks created by the user. Class bookmarks indicate bookmarks assigned to groups of students by a teacher. To launch a bookmark, double-click on the desired selection and choose Launch the Bookmark. To exit the bookmark application, click on the X at the top right of the screen. Clicking on the calculator icon in the control panel opens a basic calculator. Clicking on the X to the top right of the calculator closes it. Clicking on the logout icon in the control panel will prompt the program to exit UMath X and return to the login screen. This concludes the UMath X navigation tutorial. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact our head office toll-free at 1-866-429-6284 or online at neufeldlearning.com.